Always first at the finish line. First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clouds to the finish line. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Tim's on cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that.
Good. Yeah, it was a big rain yesterday, all the day and in the night, so it makes everything a bit more spicy. So this morning it was not a big rain, just a little one, so for the vision it was really bad. And then during the day it was getting a bit better, but also a bit more sticky. So it was quite challenging to find a good flow, but overall I'm good. So we see on Saturday how it goes. I really like the tracks, but honestly for me it was not the best day on the bike. Had a lot of crashes, I think 6 crashes today. Was just not riding well. The conditions not easy to ride. It's really slippery in some parts have grip, but I mean for Saturday for the race will be all good, all easy. The last race of the season was a special one, I have to say. I think since I ride e-bike, I've never been riding, let's say, so bad. The day was starting good, I had a top 5 stage, and then it started really bad. Like I lost half a minute in the first power stage. In the end I had not really any more power, I was really low in energy. I gave my best, but in the end I'm just 18th, so not really good, but sometimes it is like this.
Overall really bad, I would say. I didn't really find the flow all the day, so I mean in my head I was like, if you stay on the bike it will be a good result, so I tried to stay more good on the pedals and a good flow, but it wasn't really fast. So, and the last stage it was the one that I was feeling good and I crashed, so not a really good day. I'm a bit disappointed, but that's racing. Thanks to the team, to GASGAS, to all the sponsors for the season, and see you later.